So I was saying that on this exercise of reading and singing of all intervals, as it is beautifully written in Romanian on top here, you'll notice combination of signs, you'll notice beautiful intervals, you'll notice temporal signs, and there's also a melody that you can almost learn by heart, you know. I'll sing it once for you. Please follow it. And then we're going to sing it together. And at the end of our class, each and every one of you will have the chance to sing alone.
I have to leave early.
You wish.
You can sing it right now.
Ni pavuga digavu pani. There we go. I go. Ni pa pa ni vu ni pa vu ni pa ni vu ni ga vu pa ga vu ni di ga vu pa di vu pa ni ni zo ni ke ni di ke ni zo ni ke ni ga vu di vu ke ga zo di ni vu ke di vu ga di ni ni pa pa ni vu ni ga ni pa pa ni vu ni di ni pa pa ni vu ni ke ni zo ke zo ni 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 vu di vu ni di di ni 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 vu di vu di ni ni.
I'll pick number 15.
15?
Yeah.
I can almost picture ni 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 doing that extra glissando. But if you can ni 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 ni, just do that. Should be easy. What do you think about this exercise?
Useful. Painful, useful.
Painfully useful. It walks you around big time.
Big jumps.
Yeah, but in the same time, don't think of it as a whole. Think on it in pieces. Today I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomorrow I'm gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on.
For the video, can we have it on the screen while we do it?
Parliaments, yes. Where's my iPad?
On
Over
the
there
paper.
under your paper.
Oh. Good. Anyone discouraged by this exercise? Oh yeah?
Practice.
Don't be. it should be there. I'm going to record it once for you. And with the recording and with the exercise, you should make progress. As I said, don't think of it as a whole. Take it step by step. Today you do 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Ni. Let's go on the scale and back, and we sing. Ni pa vu ga di ke zo ni zo ke di ra vu pa ni. Peso d'arpeggio, ni vu di ni. Ni vu di ni. And back. Ni vu ni. And we start. Ni pa pa ni vu ni pa vu ni pa ni vu ni ga vu pa vu ni di. Let's stop a little. You see here, normally without this little comma, we would go faster because of the action of the elafron after the apostrophos, which would have me singing this sign and this faster. But because there's a little distance between them and I have this one, that means the elafron doesn't act anymore as rushing the notes before it, but it's just a simple elafron that goes down 2. They have to make like, yeah. So you understand why we have that little comma up there. It shows me that I should read the elafron as I should normally read it -2, and not apply that rule, that temporal thing, when the 2 notes before, the note before the elafron and apostrophos would also be in 1 beat with apostrophos. Number 3, ga, vu, pa, vu, ni, di. Good. Ga, vu, pa, di, vu, pa, ni. Okay. I want you to sing now alone, all of you. Ni, and we go from number 1. Ni, pa, pa, ni, vu, ni, pa, vu, ni, pa, ni, vu, ni, ga, vu, pa, vu, ni, di. You know what? Maybe it's because I'm doing the beat, but I see artists doing the beat also. Do you also do it? It helps you. I could see artists only doing it. It's your foot. Yeah, that's okay. That's acceptable. But you can do that in the church. Here, I want you to see, like, when I was starting this, everybody was like flying there. Don't be afraid to do the beat. It helps you. From number 5 now. Ni pa vu ga di ke zo ni zo ni ke ni di ke ni zo ni ke ni ga vu. Okay, now we're talking, eh? Number 5 again. I'm gonna sing it for you. Listen to the intervals. Ni zo ni ke ni di ke. Again. Ni zo ni ke ni di the scale and the distance between the notes on that scale. Ni, so, ke, di. You only have 4 notes. And there's a play there. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni, di, ke. You have to apply the theory of the intervals here. And it starts slow because you'll see further it goes even more than that. Together from number 5. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni, di, ke. 6. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni, ga, vu. This kind of intervals will only stay here if you apply them, if you sing them 100 times maybe. After, well, how many years? 20 years now, I still know this one. And it's the first time I come back to it after 23 years. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni, di, ke, ni, so, ni, ke, ni, ga, vu, di, vu, ke, ga, so, di, ni, vu, ke, di, vu, ga, di, ni. And I still remember it. And you know why I remember it? Because I sang it for, who knows, hundreds of times. So many times. The more you sing something and you follow the names, the easier it would be for you that in the future you'll apply the same interval, because the intervals here, they repeat to infinite, right? They repeat in every single chant. 2, 3, 4 steps on the scale. You will have them from each and every note. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni. Maybe not so common, but you'll find ni, so, ni very much. You'll find di, ke in any other song there. Try to sing this kind of exercise as much as you can. Come back to it after you have your dinner and you have a few minutes to rest. Let me take this exercise and do those intervals here. Number 5 again. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni, di, ke. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni, ga, vu. Di, vu, ke, ga, so, di, ni. Vu, ke, di, vu, ga, di, ni. And I'm singing alone. I know, when you see that harmony with an apostrophos on number 8, I know your mind scrambles to find the distance from ni to vu. That's how much? It's -5, right? -4 and -1 is -5. And you know what? You don't have to scramble to find the vu. You do simple. You already have a scale in your mind. Ni, pa, vu, ni. And I got up there to upper ni. Ni, so, ni, ke, ni, di, ke, ni, so, ni, ke. Where? Oh, sorry. Di, vu, ke, ga, so, di, ni. And then how do I go to vu so quickly? Ni, vu. I already have a scale in my mind. Ni, di, vu, ni, vu. I took the arpeggio, or I just start over with a scale. Ni, pa, vu, pa, ni, vu. And I go straight to vu. That's for you beginners. In time, you'll pick that note, and you'll have no problem going from that to that in one instant. Ni, pa. It will bigger interval, and it's there. Ni, pa, ni. Should be there, but that goes in time. The more you practice it, the more you do the intervals, the more it stays in your mind. Number 8. Vu, ke, di, vu, ga, di, ni. Again. Vu, ke, di, vu, ga, di, ni. Next page. 9. Ni, pa, pa, ni, wu, ni, ga. Ni, pa, pa, ni, wu, ni, ri. Ni, pa, pa, ni, wu, ni, ke. Ni, zo, ke, zo, ni, ni. How do I get to that zo? From ni all the way to zo. I know it's a big interval, but you will find it sometimes. Ni, zo. Can somebody tell me? How do you get very fast there in your mind?
Because you know ni and ni.
Yeah.
There you go. You approximate. It's like doing math, you know. Sometimes the type of calculations you do in your mind, like 100 minus 12, and you say, okay, I know 100 minus 10, okay, and then I just go down 2, and I get to that number. You do the same here. You have to go from ni to zo. You go from ni to ni. Ni, zo. You have it. Ni, zo. That's for now, in the beginning. I would love that I'll see you in some time, a few weeks, a few months maybe, having no issues with this kind of intervals. As I said, try to exercise them as much as you can on a keyboard, for example. That's the best practice you can get with a keyboard. Number 9, you alone. Ni, ni, pa, pa, ni, wu, ni, ga. Ni, pa, pa, ni, wu, ni, ri. Ni, pa, pa, ni, wu, ni, ke. Ni, zo, ke, zo, ni, ni. Very good. All together from 13. Ni, 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 ni. Wu, ni, wu, ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Wu, ni, wu, ni, ni. Doesn't look so hard when you sing it to the end. What? It's not that hard, really.
You get parts, bites. You don't get it for
We'll go to the next one. Aptly, deeply, and triply. I'm gonna share this page with you. Bigger?
That's it right there. There we go.
Go ahead.
Full screen.
You're right. I know.
I need two more.
Who can tell me what the action of aptly is?
One slow, add one beat.
So let's set it straight. We do not say slow anymore. Slow means something else than
Add one beat.
you add 1 beat. You can sing something slower but can still have gorgon and trigorgon and digorgon in it. You only sing it slow. It's about speed here. But the up is about the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a triply. Triply. What does a triply do? do?
4 beats.
4 beats. So adds how many beats?
3.
3. You have to think like this. You have the sign, which is
1 beat.
1 beat, and for each of those points there, you add another beat. Even if it says triply, 3, that means it's 4 beats because you take into account the sign that the triply stays under. Same with deeply is 2 beats plus the sign, that means 3 beats. Plasma is 2 beats, always. The gorgon
Plus the sign.
is half a beat for each note that is applied on or accent. So basically going for every gorgon, you're gonna have 2. James, please. You're gonna have 2 notes. The gorgon acts on those 2, taking them into 1 beat. From what note does this exercise start? Upper knee. Ni fa vu ga di ke zo ni. I'm gonna sing it once for you. And then we're gonna sing it together. Mi zo ke di ga vu pa mi ga vu ga di ke zo ni zo ke di ga vu pa di di mi pa vu ga di ga ke pa vu ga di ke di mi zo ke di ga vu pa ni ga vu ga di ke zo ni zo ke di ga vu pa di di mi. I put out there. It's not that bad like the previous one, eh? Let's do it.
How did you know to add those gorgon in the second last line?
Sorry, what?
Like, it,
Yeah.
you added a gorgon on the 2 apostrophes back to back on the second last line.
Yeah,
Where?
the notation here. Like, why are those?
Oh, why are those?
Gorgon, there is no gorgon there.
It's because it's apostrophes.
We were speaking about that
Yeah,
like 5
apostrophes
minutes
and
ago.
at the front.
You have an up front there.
Oh, I'm not seeing it like that, yeah.
They're not glued
Yeah.
together on
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
but
yeah, there we go. Thank you,
Sorry. Here,
yeah.
you have the up front. But I said that whenever in front of the up front,
Yeah,
you have an apostrophos,
yeah,
that means the apostrophos
yeah.
and the note before it is taken to 1 beat. The apostrophos only goes down 1.
Got it.
Now, this is one of the most common formula that you will find in Byzantine music. Very, very common. This here. You have to take it as a whole. You don't read this and this, and you stop to do the math. You see this, automatically it kicks in that the note here, whatever note is there, is taken to 1 beat with the one after, which is in front of the elephant.
It's because it's descending, that, like the elephant is.
Yeah, elephant is descending. The whole thing here is descending because of those 2 notes here. Any question?
So meaning that you can read multiple notes as one sometimes.
That's the goal here, Khalil. That's what we're trying to do. Like when you read your name, you do not read you do not spell it. You read one name because it's one structure there.
Let me see.
So what
Even
you're
if it's-
saying, I think, is it helps you to sing more fluently, like
One, right, two.
Exactly. It's
quickly,
like
fluently.
some people, you do not spell anymore your name. You say it as one word. And when you're reading something, at some point you all experience that you read those words, not word, but you read it as a full sentence sometimes, right? You see the whole thing, especially in like Arabic, I guess. All those signs look like noodles tied together, right? And when you see that, you don't see just one little thing, one little point above. You see the whole thing. Same here. You see the whole thing here. Ni pavugadi kezoni. There we go. Ni zo kedi. 3, 4. Gavu 1, 2. Ni gavu. Gadi kezoni. So after vu, you say Gadi kezo, because we take those notes in one beat, one beat, one beat. Gadi kezo. Alright? Make sense?
Yes.
Gadi, one beat. Kezo, one beat. And then the petasti with the class one, which is ni, is done like, you can see that on the Western music. It's done like this. Ah, ni, pa, ni. Though you'll sing ni, because it's just one sign there. Ni. That's how you sing it. It's one sign, and despite the fact that it has the petasti and goes uphill and goes back, you'll still sing it just ni. Ni. All together. Ni. Again. Ni. So we start from those two gorgons there, after vu. Gadi kezo ni zo ke. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could only hear John singing this one. So Gadi kezo ni zo ke. All together. It's 4 beats there. And if you don't hold it, that means that triple is for nothing there. Gadi kezo ni zo ke di. Yeah. Gavu pa di di. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Gavu gavu gadi ga. That's why it's very important to know the scale in and out. You'll find those gorgons or digorgons or trigorgons, and you have to know right away that this is vuga vuga diga. Faster, 2 times faster than usual, right? It kicks in and increases the speed. And if you don't know the scale very, very well, you're gonna scramble to find the next sound, the next name of the note. You won't have that issue when you're singing on text. But paralahi, that's what we're doing now. Paralahi is very important because it teaches you the intervals. You'll not think of the intervals in the literal meaning when you're chanting text. You see words. But when you're singing on notes, when you do paralahi, you're actually viewing the interval. You're visualizing it like pa, di. I know for sure it's pa and it's di. And it has a translation, a literal translation in that interval. Ni, pa, from there, okay? Pa, bu, ga, di, ga, ke. And again, go pa. Pa, bu, ga, di, ga, di, ke, di, ni, zo, ke, di, ga, bu, pa, ni, ga, bu, ga, di, ke, zo, ni, zo, ke, di. That's the triply, not the deeply. And now you'll sing this alone. Ni. Ni. Three, four. Nigavu, nigavu, go on. Gadi guys. Gavu, 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 gavu. Three, four. Gavu, pani, gavu, gadi kezoni, zomedi, gavu, pani. Beautiful.
That one was kind of easier. It's fun. That one. Nice.
It's starting to become fun when
Yeah, we start to know what we're doing.
of course, when
But it makes sense.
that's me when I'm assembling IKEA furniture, which I totally hate. I look on that drawings and all those things, and I'm scratching my head, and I have no idea where to start and what is wrong with me and those goddamn Swedes and all this. Anyway, but at some point, when you focus, you start to understand. And I should use this, put this in its position, the tools and all this. And it makes sense. But I know it has to pass a little time before it kicks in and I understand what needs to be done. In order for that to happen, of course, I need to look on that paper for 2 minutes straight. I don't have that gene, like some other people do, of putting things together. Same with this one. Whenever you figure out, look, I understand how the Gordon works here. Those notes are in one beat instead of doing ga di ke zo. No, I know now that it's done like this. Dum pum 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 pum. And then, if I know this, I can apply it here and here. I know this is a class one. So instead of doing ni zo ke di, no, I stop there for another beat because I know it's a class one. I understand that concept. And I apply it here because I see the apply. In my mind, I know that apply equals class one. 2 beats. The more you understand all those things and what they are doing, the more fun it's gonna get. It's like, as I made that comparison of looking on a treasure map. That's my favorite one. Looking on a treasure map and following the clues that the music is giving you. And whenever you find yourself on the right path, and that path is signaled by the martyria here, I mean the checkpoints, right? Vu, ni. And it corresponds, is the same with what I'm singing. Okay, I'm on the right track. Let's go on. Next step, until I find the treasure. What is the treasure here?
The end.
The what?
The end.
No.
You know what the treasure
The
is?
melody.
It's praising God. Yeah, that's what the treasure. 8:11. Do you still want to continue for 10 minutes?
Yes.
We should have that. Okay. I'm gonna disconnect from this one.